Well, the state Supreme Court heard arguments about that battle today. It sounded like a technical discussion at times about the history of printing, but it was much more about the future of the state of Michigan. The fight involves voters who want the chance to decide the controversial emergency manager issue at the ballot box.
This case is about the Constitution and the laws that the legislature has enacted.
The group known as Citizens for Fiscal Responsibility told the justices this morning the state law on petitions specifically requires 14-point type to be used in petition headings. Their lawyer told the Supreme Court there should be no exceptions to that law.
The issue is the legislation and what it says. The secondary issue then is readability and or notice to people. But the legislature made the decision as to what the standard would be. I didn't make it, they did.
But the organization known as Stand Up for Democracy spent months collecting more than 203,000 signatures to place the future of Public Act 4, the emergency manager law, before the voters on the November ballot. Their lawyer argued, first, that their petition used the right type size, but that today's computers may have made the petition print just a little smaller. More importantly, they say, for at least the past decade, the standard of substantial compliance has been in place. In their words, as long as you can read and understand the heading, the emergency manager question should not be stopped by an antiquated law that doesn't take new print technology into account.
The last 15 petitions we have shown do not comply in the same manner that they're arguing. The issue really is whether or not people are able to read a headline on a petition and understand it clearly.
This is about access of the people to the ballot. It's as simple as that.
That was Butch Hollowell speaking there. He's one of the attorneys and among the observers on both sides that apparently agree that there's no way to determine how long it will take the Supreme Court to decide if the emergency manager law question should be on the November ballot. But you can express your opinion right away at WXYZ.com. In the newsroom, Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.